Hey, welcome back, everyone. Hope everyone's doing well today. So, got a little product today. Has the Scotty at Reindeer Studios approved green tape on here. So, Kurt at Klummps Kards was actually opening up this repacked product. So, I went ahead and I guess the gentleman had a couple more boxes left, so I went and grabbed one. So, looks like it's in the 1985 Topps box, but the 81 design. These are pretty cool. And they're wrapped all in different packs from back in the day. All different products, all different sports packs, and the cards are all inserted in there. All right, I think there's a rack pack and cello pack in there as well. So I'll do like Kurt did as well. I'll just do it so it's not so long. I'll break these up by stacks. So let's do the lower left today. For now, let's see what we get. Let's put these over here. All right, there's the old 1982 Flair wrapper. Let's see. Try not to destroy these. All right, let's see what goodies we get. Looks like Murdoch, the A-team there. All right, so there you go. Off the bat, Tom Terrific. Rest in peace, sir. 87 Topps. There's a nice Kirby Puckett. 86 Topps. Very nice. Eddie Murray, 87 Donruss. Look at that. Boom. There it is, Chad. 86 Flair. Doc Gooden. Let's bust out these. The doctor is in. There's the Doc. Let's put him there. It's a nice 87 Donruss, Ryan Sandberg. Very cool. 86 Donruss, Darryl Strawberry. Look at that. Very nice. That's a great looking card. I know Doug over at Don't Talk to Robots will like that one. It's an 83 Flair. Johnny Bench. Very nice. There's a recent inductee into the Hall of Fame, Mr. Drew Pearson. Congrats. I just sent him, actually. Hopefully I get that back. 86 Donruss, Pete Rose. Nice. There's a Reggie Jackson, 87 Topps traded, I believe. Yep. Very cool. And the A's uni. I know Isaac will definitely like that one, as well as Brandon. Very nice. And there he is. I pity the fool. All right. Here's the 87 Flair wrapper. All right. St. Louis Cardinals sticker. There it is, 87 Topps. Very nice. Kirby Puckett. 81 Flair. Willie Stargell. Nice. 87 Flair. Mr. Ozzie Smith. I know Andy will like that one. We're flying Dutchman cards. Cale Yarborough. I'll have to send out some racing cards. I haven't sent any racers yet. There's a hockey card. Bill Barber. This is 1981 Topps. 78 Topps. Mariners team card. Shout out to Eddie's baseball autographs. It's a nice 87 Flair, Baines and Barfield. There we go. Nice. It's a nice 76. Joe Morgan. Rest in peace, Hall of Famer. Up there. Then a John Matuzak. 1975, I believe. Topps. Yep. 76, sorry. And 87 Topps Boggs. All right, next pack. Another 82 Flair wrapper. this one's glued on pretty well. Alright. Alright. It's a White Sox sticker. There's an 87 Topps Trammel. I don't Kurt like that one. It's an 83 Topps Jim Palmer. OPG actually. Very nice. Very cool. 89 Topps Beck. Shout out to Andy. Paul Molitor. Tim Raines, $87. There's a Rusty Wallace. 83 Flair. Reggie Jackson. And I believe Ricky Henderson's on the other one. Speed and Power. 82 Topps Fernando Valenzuela. Fernando Mania. Then we have an 87 Donruss Coleman and an 89 Topps Jack Morris. Very cool. This is a hockey pack. Not sure what year. My hockey pack knowledge isn't up to par. So let's see what else. Stickers is very cool. Chicago Cubbies. Tony Black. 87 Topps. Eddie Murray. There you go. It's a nice sticker of Nolan Ryan. 1986 sticker. Very cool. 86 George Brett. Baltimore Orioles 82 Topps Leaders. It's Gaylord Perry. OPG as well. Very cool. I don't have many of the OPG 83s. Nice Stockton. This is 89-90 top Flair. Very cool. Stockton there. It's a nice 82 Donruss Murray. Kenny Anderson. But that's 82. Yep, 82 Topps. It's an 85 Topps Phil Simms. And an 87 Topps Ryan Sandberg. I still have a card out to him. I haven't got it back. It's been a while. I don't know if it's coming back. We'll see. Well, he's been hit or miss lately, I guess. Alright. And back-to-back Ryan Sandberg's 87 Topps. It's a nice Irvin Johnson. 89-90 Flair Magic. Very nice. There's an 87 Donruss Eddie Murray. There's a nice 81 Topps Reggie. 86 Carlton Fisk. This was part of the rack packs. You'd get these All-Star cards. 86 Topps All-Star. Dave Winfield. Pete Rose, 85 Donruss. There's Frank. I know Frank likes this one. Jim Rice, 83 Topps. 87 Whitaker, Brett, and Mr. T. Alright. Next up. I want to say this is 81. Wrapper. Alright, let's see. Another A-team. More 87 Topps. There's a Trammel again. Fernando. Rest in peace, Hall of Famer Don Sutton. 87 Donruss. 82 Topps Perry, Hall of Famer. Another Hall of Famer Eddie Murray. 84 Flair. There's a nice Gretzky. Very cool. 1984. There. 86 Topps. Ozzy. It's a nice 82. Johnny Bench. Cal, 86 Donruss. And another Jack Morris, 87 Topps. Alright. Next pack. Tony Pena. I just sent him wearing his Mets uni. It's 84 Topps. Career leaders. Active at that time. Fergie, Carlton, Mr. Lefty, and the franchise. It's an 84 Topps. Ozzie Smith. 87 Donruss Eddie Murray. There's a nice 83 Topps Ricky. 87 Donruss Diamond King Brett. 84 Topps All-Star Jim Rice. 87 Donruss Pete Rose. 83 Fisk. And 87 Topps Jim Rice. Alright. Next pack. New York Yankees sticker. 86 Donruss, Rod Carew. There's a nice Ryan. 82 Topps highlights. It's a dinged Fernando, 1987 Topps. The Cobra, 83 Topps. 83 Flair, Hall of Famer, Raleigh Fingers. Mark Mosley, 1980 Topps, kicker. Willie Stargell, 82 Topps. Hey, there's a nice Will Clark, 87 Donruss. Greg Maddux, 89 Topps. Hey, nice Paul O'Neill rookie, 86 Donruss. Nice. All right, next pack. 2 more after this. The Tribe and the Reds. There's another Doc, 88 Donruss. Guidry, he signs, 83 Flair. It's a nice 87 Topps All-Star. Donnie Baseball. Neil Bonnet, 87 Donruss, Hall of Famer. Bert Blyleven. There's a nice rookie, Fred McGriff. Should be in the Hall. Very nice. It's another Hall of Famer, Larkin, 88 Donruss. Hall of Famer, Raleigh Fingers, 84 Topps. 89 Topps rookie. And 87 Topps rookie. All right, next pack. There's a Cincinnati Reds sticker. 86 Topps, Rod Carew. Here's a nice one. Nice 83 Topps, Nolan Ryan. Very nice. Take that. It's another 87 Topps, Fernando. Another Cobra, 83 Topps. More leaders, 84 Topps. They both sign. Mr. Dan Quisenberry. Quiz has passed away. Rest in peace. Nice Alan Page, 1980. It's a nice Barry Bonds. Bam, there we go. Nice. It's a nice Bo. Got to meet Bo. I was just in awe of him. Just speechless. Nice guy, super nice guy. There's an 86 Donruss Joe Carter. Nice, he signs. I'm a good sign. And there's a 1988 Donruss Rafael Palmeiro, who also signs. I think it's $20 fee. All right, last pack. 82 Flair. Let's see what kind of magic we can pull from here. All right. Oakland A sticker. There you go. There it is. Another Doc. 87 Topps. I know Chad or at Cool Plastics will love this stack. It's a nice Guidry, 1980 Topps. Another Donnie Baseball, 87 Topps All-Star. Alan Kulwicki. Another Blyleven, 89 Topps. Bam! Look at that, man. 2 McGriffs. It's a little thing there. It's nice. 86. Very cool. That's awesome. Nice. Barry Larkin, rookie, 87 Donruss. Very cool so far. 85 Topps Raleigh. 89 Donruss, Ricky. And another 87 Topps Ricky. All right. Not too bad. Very cool, man, for the first stack. I'll take it. All right, let me know which one you guys thought was the best card in the stack. Got a few here. Got the Paul O'Neill. Got the 83 Topps Ryan, Will Clark, Barry Larkin rookies. The 2 rated rookies, McGriff. 86 Flair, Doc Gooden. The Magic and the Stockton. Very cool. Awesome. All right, everyone. I appreciate you watching. We'll have 3 more stacks to go, and I will see everyone then. everyone then. So please take care, be well, be safe, and thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. All right, everyone, take care.